Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and share with you guys what I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of September. So I'm debating on keeping the subscription. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it just because I think I found a different subscription that kind of fits me better, but still up in the air about it. Comment down below, let me know if you have a favorite subscription that you like. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's open it up and see what I got for this month. This bag actually came a little bit late, I feel. We're already in the middle of September, is it? Yeah. And I just received it yesterday. So, okay, so first thing I see is this brush right here. It's a makeup brush from Farrah. I actually love the brushes. And look at that. It's like a blue color. And that's very pretty. It's like a velvet blue. I'm not sure if you can see that. And this part is black. It's really pretty and soft. Okay, so here's the bag right here, and the brush came separate, I guess, because it doesn't fit in the bag. But here is my bag, and it looks like it has all like the stars, like galaxy. Tinsel is like a really cute gem, like a stone. Kind of reminds me of like a zodiac or something. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got. Okay, so first and foremost, it says, find your light. September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Hashtag discover yourself. And it has all the products right here, as well as some instructions. And I'm going to go ahead and do a try on as well today. So the first thing that I see here is this Murad Dynamic Ultimate Moisture Hydrant Intense Dynamic. So it's this right here. And let's open it up and see. Okay, so it's like a cream. So all this box for this little bitty. That's pretty funny. So there it is. Right there. And let's see what this does. This is an ultimate moisturizer from Murad. This rich yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, and avocado oil to instantly moisturize, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve your skin texture. Advanced hyaluronic acid technology keeps your skin glowing and smooth for a full 24 hours. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Rehydrator. So here is the Murad moisturizer, and it says it's supposed to hydrate for a full 24 hours. So it is in the morning, so I'm just going to the next thing I see, Ofra, OFRA Cosmetic lip gloss. See the color. It looks very like a nude color. Oh, that's pretty. This limited edition collab between beauty guru Gaito and beauty lifestyle blogger Madison Miller gives us a highly pigmented shadows, glosses, brushes, and beyond. This frosted gloss leaves lips with a hint of shimmer and doesn't feel the least bit sticky. Okay, so I'm definitely going to try the bronzer from Loved Craft Beauty. And the shade is Aditya. Cute packaging. Really pretty color. So it's a really soft, subtle bronzer. And the last but not least I see is Smashbox. This oil-free matte finish medium to full coverage foundation is formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to even out your skin without settling into pores or fine lines. The best part, it lasts a full 24 hours, no touch-ups required. And this one, it says Smashbox Cosmetics Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in 3.18 Neutrals. This color, I'm not sure. It seems like it'd be a little dark. Let's try it right here. Oh no, it actually fits perfect. I thought it was going to be a little dark. Okay, go ahead. I'm going to do a try on. I'm going to use all of the products that I have and then probably some more just to touch up or whatnot, but let's go ahead and get started. I already prepped my face with the Mira. And put on my foundation from Smashbox. Use the bronzer. And I'm going to go ahead and use the contour brush. And I'm going to contour with this bronzer. Just lightly tap. And you start back here and then slowly move down.
Take away what's left of me.
So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of under eye concealer. Just to blend it out and make sure the contour doesn't look so harsh. And you can always go back in and get your bronzer. And just play with it and so now I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes on. Too extreme? Oh well. Okay. So last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and put on this lip gloss from Afra Cosmetics. So let's go ahead and put this baby on. Oh my gosh. It smells like cake mix. Smell it? And it's so smooth. Oh my god, it tastes like cake mix. Okay, that's it, you guys. So I just wanted to hop on here and share with you what I got from my Ipsy bag And that is it. I used all the products in my Ipsy bag for the month of September. I'm loving it, but I'm still conflicted if I'm gonna go ahead and stop the subscription or not. I think Ipsy is coming out with like I'm not sure what it is. I know it's a bigger bag. I know they have Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Ultra or something. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm gonna look into that and see if that's the route I want to go. But that's it, you guys. I am loving the bag. It's super cute. I normally never keep the bags. I normally give them with gifts and stuff when I do send products out. So the first one is the Smashbox Cosmetic Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in Neutral. I'm really impressed with it. I will use it again. I feel like it did a lot of coverage and it feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel like it's weighing anything down or heavy or anything. So I'm definitely gonna keep using this. Next thing is the bronzer. For the bronzer, I'm really not that impressed. I like the color, but I have better, so I probably won't use it again. I'll probably put it in a giveaway or just give it away or whatnot. But yeah, so that I'm really not impressed. The brush I will be keeping. I do have a couple of contour brushes already, but I just love how this one is so like sleek and the bristles are just so soft, and I just love how it looks. The Dynamic Ultimate Moisturizer, which is this right here from Murad. I'm a little conflicted on it. I mean, I'm gonna keep it and use it because you probably have just a few uses out of it, but let's see for the day. Yeah, I mean it's pretty basic, so yeah, I'm gonna keep it and use it, I guess. Overall, I'll have to go and wear it through the day and see if it actually made a difference or not. And for the lip gloss, I am in love with it. It smells like cake batter. It's the Ofra Cosmetics. I'm sorry if I'm like butchering your name or this brand. Oh my god. It is Smiley for Riley. I'm actually loving this just because it's so glossy and it doesn't feel like slimy or sticky. It's just very smooth, and it's just, I love a good lip balm. I normally do not wear lipsticks or glosses or anything like that. I'm more of like a chapstick girl. I love chapsticks and any type of lip balm. But for this, I'm definitely going to keep and use. Wanted to hop on here and do a quick Ipsy unboxing and mini try on and first impressions. So if you're interested or you want to get a bag like this, I'm going to go ahead and put in the description box below where you can get yours. I have a code or something on there, but where you can put you can get your box at, or your bag. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope everyone's doing great, and I'll see you in the next video.